Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkov's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an issue where you are unable to change the brightness on your Windows machine. And now let's get started. Sometimes, when you try to adjust the screen brightness by moving the slider, nothing happens, or the brightness options are grayed out. Thankfully, there is a straightforward fix for this. First, you will need to open Device Manager. To do this, right-click on the Start button, and select Device Manager from the menu. Once Device Manager is open, look for the Monitors section and expand it. You might see different options here. For example, you may have a generic PNP monitor, or if you have integrated graphics, you might see options related to that. If you have multiple entries under Monitors, you will need to apply these steps to each of them. With the Monitors section expanded, right-click on your monitor entry and select Update Driver. Then, choose the option that says Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the best drivers, and you will likely see a message stating that the best drivers for your device are already installed. After this, click Close. Now, right-click on the monitor entry again, select Update Driver, and this time choose the option that says Browse my computer for drivers. Next, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In this list, select the driver that appears at the very top and click Next. If there are multiple drivers available, repeat this step for each one. Once you have selected the driver and clicked Next, you should see a message indicating that Windows has successfully updated your driver. Then, click Close. After addressing the monitor drivers, you will need to expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find your graphics card, such as an NVIDIA graphics card, or other display adapters. If you have multiple display adapters listed, you will need to perform the same driver update process for each one. For each display adapter, right-click and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. After that process completes, right-click on the same adapter again, select Update Driver, and choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Similar to the monitor drivers, choose the first driver listed at the top, and click Next. Windows will update the driver, and you will see a confirmation message. Click Close. Ensure you repeat this process for all display adapters listed. Once all the driver updates are completed for both monitors and display adapters, close the Device Manager window. Finally, restart your computer. After your computer has rebooted, you should be able to adjust your screen brightness. You can check this by right-clicking on the Start button, selecting System, then Display, and trying to move the brightness slider. This should now resolve the brightness adjustment issue. If you are still experiencing problems, please leave a comment below, and I will try to provide further solutions. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.